Hi, and welcome back to Live Shopping on YouTube. My name is Cha, and I'm a YouTube content strategist. So you have just successfully hosted a shoppable live stream. Now let's talk about some ways you can continue driving engagement and sales even after your live stream wraps. Viewers who missed your live shopping event might be keen to browse and shop the featured product. Help them by making your shoppable live stream videos easily discoverable. One way to do that is to archive your live stream. Showcase it along with your past shoppable live streams if available in a dedicated live section of your channel layout. This will help viewers who may be unfamiliar with your channel to browse and discover the live streams to watch and shop in the future. Use features like video chapters to help your audience navigate to the best moments of the live stream. And this will also help viewers easily identify the shoppable segments and purchase featured products. Create highlight clips, scissor reels, or even shorts containing the best moments in the live stream and links to the main live event. This will keep the excitement going and encourage viewers to re-watch the actual live stream. Continue the conversation with your viewers even after your live stream ends. This helps sustain the excitement and build anticipation for your next live event. You can encourage viewers to share best moments or their first impressions of the product and their experiences using it so far. And you can also feature them in your community tab, stories, shorts, and other social media handles to make viewers feel appreciated and reach more audiences as well. Prolong the hype after the stream, create FOMO, and reward viewers in attendance with recaps, inside jokes, or even shoutouts on the community tab via stories or other social platforms. Continued references to those streamed moments will create incentives for viewers to be present in the future live streams. If you planned activities with rewards or giveaways during the live stream, be sure to follow up and prominently announce the winners once the live event is over. Be sure to check in with your fans on their experience participating in the shoppable live stream. So listen to their feedback and continue adapting your engagement and shopping strategy for future live streams. So here are some planning tips for your future live streams. First, create a schedule of shoppable live streams. Having a frequency in mind will help you maintain a healthy balance between shoppable content and regular uploads on your channel. Next, account for tentpole moments or special channel milestones. Occasions such as celebrating a subscriber milestone or launch of your new product or a key seasonal shopping event are a good start. Next up, research brands and products in advance. Having visibility on what items you'll be promoting helps you plan the live stream content and design better perks ahead of time. Iterate based on past event feedback. Review your experience hosting past live shopping events, from planning to your selling and engagement strategy. What would you like to do better? What feedback did you receive from your fans during and after the live stream? So be sure to integrate those into your planning to make the live stream event even more informative and engaging to viewers in the future. That's a wrap on live shopping on YouTube. Thank you so much for sticking around with me until the end of this video. I hope you find the tips shared in this video useful, and we look forward to seeing you live.